It's currently 17 degrees outside. We got about 3 inches of snow. I'm not gonna let the chickens out, but I am gonna check on the water, see if it froze or not. So, sorry girls, I'm not letting you guys out. It's a little too cold for you guys. It's nice and warm in there. They're doing alright. Let's see. 17 degrees outside, the heater's on, and the water is cold, but not frozen. So it is definitely doing its job. And did they lay any eggs for us today? 1 egg. And my hand got frozen to the lock. So, hope everyone has a good day.